Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add cards to Apple Pay. Now to add cards to your Apple Pay, just go and find the application called Apple Wallet or the Wallet. As you can see, this is the application Wallet. If you do not see the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And once downloaded, open the application, and once you see this interface, so from here just click on the plus icon from the upper side. And once you click on the plus icon, it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it. And after that, you will be seeing an option like this, add to wallet. So from this section, you can see available cards, the previous cards, apply for Apple card or add Apple account. And here's the option called debit or credit card. Now this is the option where we can add our cards to the Apple wallet. So just click on debit or credit card, and from here just click on continue. And once you click on continue, as you can read, hold near card, hold iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to the wallet. So you can now simply add the hold the iPhone near the card and you will be able to add it, or you can just click on enter card details manually. And from here you can just write down the name and enter the card number and just click on next and confirm it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add cards to the Apple Pay.